Quick to install. Suitable for indoor or outdoor installations. Factory installed 6 feet outdoor rated power cord for your convenience. Simple to program. Quickly program a schedule in just 3 steps. New large backlit LCD display for improved visibility in low light and direct sunlight conditions. Wi-Fi connectivity. Advanced features. Contractor Default allows you to easily save and restore your custom schedule. Delay watering up to 14 days and automatically resume watering after the set delay has elapsed. Wi-Fi connectivity. By simply plugging in a Rainbird LNK Wi-Fi module, sold separately, users can access, operate and monitor their irrigation system from anywhere. Internet-based weather information is used to make daily adjustments to the irrigation schedule, saving up to 30% in water. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install and get up and running. Arrived on time. Easy to unpack, and the instructions were very simple for me to replace my 30-year-old Rainbird controller with this new one. I ordered separately the Wi-Fi module, and it was very simple to add it in and connect to it as well. Setting up the system and watering days was super simple as well. I wish I would have bought this much sooner.